So in this video, we're going to be talking about an Aurora update. I'm not going to really clickbait it. I'm just going to talk about the current news that's happening, and I'm just going to see how many people are actually interested in Aurora overall. I can tell by the views. So if I get 500 views, I know at least 400 people. If there's no bots, if you include the bots and stuff, then yeah, you could definitely increase by another 100. At least if it's 500 views, then at least 400 people are interested in the Aurora story. But anyways, I'm really shocked that Aurora stock is not going down lower. Like, they announced bad news today. Like, it was really bad news. The company is still valued at $491 million, $500 million. I seriously think that the stock price can go down lower, but big money doesn't want to bring it down lower. That's what I see from looking at the charts. But, I don't know. I hope it goes down lower. I want it to go down lower. It should go down lower, but it might not go down lower. We'll see. I mean, it looks like it should go down lower just from looking at the charts, but it looks extremely bearish right now. And I'm shocked that in today, when the market was really red, the stock didn't really go down too much. I mean, it dipped to like 393, got bought back up, and it was trading at the end of the day at 405, sorry. And I seriously I don't get it, but that's just the way the market works sometimes. So Aurora, what's the bad news? Aurora is saying, hey, we're gonna dilute you guys by another $500 million. And it's officially confirmed. We got our receipt. It's official. We can now start diluting you another $500 million. I mean, how many shareholders would be like, yeah, let's get diluted by another $500 million? Like, how many shareholders would say that? Like, seriously, Aurora has to dilute, in my opinion. So I don't know. I don't get it. Like, the stock should tank and get diluted, at the bottom at like $2 or something. But the market doesn't want that. The rich people don't want that. They are holding the stock up. And that's the scenario. And then they announced earnings too of 60 million to 64 million range compared to 67 million Q4 2020. So the MJ market in Canada is growing, but Aurora is not growing. Aurora is just staying still. They are just not growing at all. They are just, the revenue is dropping a little bit. And then the gross margin is going to be between 46 to 50%. So we take $67 million. That's about $35 million of gross profit. And they're probably going to report another quarter with huge losses. In my opinion, this press release is like bad news, period. Like, it's like nothing is good in this press release at all. And the stock manages to hold up, which there's no logic behind it besides the fact that rich people don't want to dump Aurora stock. That's just how I see it, and that's the scenario. On the Canadian side, Aurora is $653 million. I think this total share class is off. I think the total share has increased. I overheard someone saying that it's about 160 million shares right now. So the company's already pretty much diluted. So we'll see what happens in the future. But Aurora's diluting. They're not even hiding it. They are diluting because they need to. They need the money to continue to operate whatever they're doing. I wish I knew what they were doing. I just, it just makes no sense to me why they need all this money. Besides, unless they are going into the US, then, I mean, yeah, I guess that's a reason why big money doesn't want to dump Aurora stock. yeah, not too much to say about that. Workhorse made a video about it, down 3 cents after hours. We'll see where Monday goes, but I'm pretty confident, not 100% sure, that Monday is going to be red. But if Monday was green, I would recommend everyone shorting the market for Tuesday. But that's just my opinion, not financial advice. I just really think that the market is going to be, I think Monday is going to be bad. I think Tuesday is going to be bad. But if the scenario is Monday's bad, and Tuesday probably will be bad, but you never know. Monday and Tuesday could both be green days. I highly doubt it, but you never know in the markets. You never know what rich people are thinking. Let's be honest, retail investors don't go control the market. It's big money. If big money wants to make the overall market red, they will do it. They will sell the position and start shorting the market, and that's how they bring down the stocks. And then that's gonna panic retail investors, and that's gonna cause further sell-off. But hey, that's just my opinion. This is old. Lordstown Motor Ride, bouncing back after hours, up 4 cents. Looks really attractive to me at these prices, but it could go down lower. That's the scary part, right? I don't know where the bottom is. I just know that this looks like an attractive price point. And at the end of the day, let's be honest, retail investors can't move this. There's too many stocks out there. There's Workhorse, there's Lordstown, there's Nano Dimensions, there's Very Good Butchers. There's just so many stocks out there. Not a bunch of retail investors are not going to go and concentrate all their firepower into Lordstown to pump it up. I just don't see that happening. Big money has to be the contributor to moving the stock price back up. So by buying it here, you're gambling that big money will push back into the stock and push it back up. Long term, they probably will. But short term, it can go down lower. It could. I'm just saying. But it also could, this could be the bottom. It just looks really attractive at these prices. Nano Dimension, the higher this thing goes, the less attractive it looks. Solo is up 2 cents after hours. The SPY is up $1.13 after hours, 0.35%. That is pretty strange. I didn't think that, who knows? It's after hours. Monday will change things. It all depends on, what happens over the weekend too. GameStop is down another 3 cents after hours, looking really good, really attractive at these prices, but it can go down lower. We'll see. I'm bag holding this one. I decided not to sell it at a loss. I decided to bag hold because I have enough money to really capitalize on a big crash if it does happen. And GameStop is definitely under my radar to be buying the stock, especially if it keeps going down. Tesla is bouncing back a little bit after hours, but like I said, Tesla looks like it's about to crash, but we'll see. Neo. I don't understand Neo. Maybe I'll make another video over in the weekend on it. So, I don't understand why rich people love Neo so much. I just don't understand it. I understand Very, and I'm happy that Very did very good today. But that's because I'm a shareholder. Facebook is up 3 cents after hours today. Had a nice pullback. I think it's probably gonna head down lower. Could be wrong. I think it should be I think if the SPY goes down to its 52-week low, Facebook should be at least not 52-week low, it's 3 months low. I think then Facebook should go back to 249. So Facebook still has room to move to the downside. AMD under pressure. It is what it is. I already talked about Ride. Space. I think Space is gonna head down lower. Just speculation on my part. Man is popping up half a penny after hours. Liberal Health Science just trading sideways today. Cineplex, which to me is strange. Cineplex should, plummet down lower, but it's holding. Blink is up 5 cents after hours. Kira is up 15 cents. True Eve is up 25 cents. Harvest Health is up, just sideways today. Hexo, probably going to head down to 50 cents. Could be wrong. Who knows? Whatever. At the end of the day, big money will pump it whichever direction they want to move it. Because, or maybe retail investors, I don't know. But I just seriously don't believe retail investors have any say in any kind of movement unless it's like a super penny stock, like 5 cents. Canopy Growth is down 16 cents. Or if, Jeremy makes a video about it, then, and it's a penny stock, then yeah, it could skyrocket. Snap is up 11 cents after hours. What is Twitter doing? Twitter today down $11.07, up 13 cents after hours. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.